everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Eby George. So guys, I'll be doing a review on this beautiful crochet hair I got from Trendy. Now I got 5-pack of this hair. You know, this is their island coils. Okay, now I've actually worked on this hair, like I've done my closure off camera. The reason why I didn't film while I was doing that, because I have so many videos on how to make your own closure, so you can go check it out. Now this is the closure I already made off camera. Like while I was working with this hair, I noticed so many things about this hair. One, the hair is super soft. Like, this is a crochet hair and it's synthetic hair, for crying out loud, and it's this soft. Wow. I was like really surprised while I was working on this hair. Like, I've worked on so many crochet hair, but this, and the color is so amazing. Like, okay, let me grab it out from the back. Can you see the color is so amazing? This is their island coils, color 1B/27. I'll be leaving the details of all you need to know on this crochet hair in my description box below. Now here as direction for use, how to maintain it, blah 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 and all. While I was working with this, I noticed that it wasn't that difficult trying to separate it. Okay guys, let me just quickly show you this and we'll go straight to the video. Okay, now first you have to remove the rubber band. Okay, this is how the hair comes. So let's use this one. Now to separate this hair, make sure they are the same length, then run your hand through it. 1, 2, just this, and the hair is separated already. Now what do you need to do now? Can you see? So easy to separate. Can you just see? So very easy to separate. Like, I so much love this hair. Trendy tresses, you guys did an amazing job on this hair, and now if you want to separate it, can you see? It's not tangling in any way. It's not. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Can you feel what I'm feeling? Like, very easy to separate. Now guys, without talking much again, let's go straight into the video. Okay, for this tutorial I'll be using this mesh dome cap. Okay, one thing you should always do while making any wig is to adjust the cap like this. Adjust it and use your T-pin to keep it down so that it will size all hair. Okay, to avoid this, oh my god, I finished making my wig, it's not entering my head, just drag it here, pin it down with your T-pin and continue your work. Now I've already made a closure like I said before. This is my closure I made. Now if you want to know how to make your closure using any crochet hair of your choice, go down to my channel, or rather I'll leave the link to the video in the description box below or up here, anywhere. Just find the video on my channel, you see it, how to make your closure using any crochet hair of your choice. Okay, when you're done making the closure, the next thing I do, or you should do, is to place down the closure. Okay, place it down on top of the dome. Okay, then secure it with a T-pin. Now when securing it, make sure you don't place your closure the exact place the cap stop. Now just leave like 1 inch. Okay, then use your T-pin and then secure it properly. Then use your needle and thread and sew it down.
Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, be the day, I go take you down. After all this time, not today. today, yeah, I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I am go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Come my fans for me.
Next thing to do now is to start working on the back parts. I've already done all this off camera, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So grab a little section of the crochet hair. Now, if you're working on the elastic band parts, be careful not to crochet the elastic band. Just crochet just the lace. Grab it, one, take this in, you double knot it so that the crochet hair will not lose in any way. Okay, like this, you tight it, it's secured, it's not going to lose in any way. So let's do it again. Grab small section of the hair, pull your knit picker through your net, grab the hair through it, then grab. Now while grabbing this hair, make sure you're grabbing the whole of the hair. Okay, then grab it in, use your hand, grab it in twice, that is double knot it so that it won't lose in any way. Okay, then take it in, knot it.
Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, be the day, I go take you down after all this time. Not today, be the day, I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I am go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Come my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I dey feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mwamo follow pasa. Nebika call everything balokasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty at bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifano kwachuku jello one day your bulla mumelo. Your bulla kwa mwa bello. No be ije mwa jello. No be say me I do pass them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwu aloka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl, I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. I say for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me that. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, as I they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular.
So guys, our wig is almost ready. Now for the front parts, use smaller size of hair. Like as you can see, grab small section of hair while working in the front part, so that you have a smooth transition between the lace and the wig. So this is how the wig look like now. It's looking all very big, like very big. Now you can go ahead and trim it to the way you want it to be. If you want the hair to go down, you can sprinkle water to it to help it to reduce the size, the volume of the hair. Now I use just 2 pack of Trendy hair to achieve this, just 2 pack, and it's this very full, like very full. I really like the outcome of the hair. I love this hair in particular. Trendy, you guys did an amazing job here. Like I said before, I love the hair. It's very fluffy. Like with just few packs of hair, you can achieve this style. So I went ahead to trim it down the way I want. Like I'm not a big hair fan, you know. I trimmed it a whole lot. Okay, but you can actually wear it like this, but man, I trimmed to satisfied with what I am saying. Okay.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, hey, 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 hey.
So guys, I went off camera to weave my hair and then to test the hair. So how does it look on me? I really love the outcome of this hair though. It came out looking very pretty, and I love the wig. Like it's super fluffy, so fluffy, it's so light. Like god, this wig is everything. Like I love the outcome of this wig. You know, let me know what you guys think about this hair. How does it look on me? Does it fit me? Are you gonna try this look? Let me know, guys. Okay guys, one thing with this wig is that you can actually wear it all style you want. I went ahead to wear it as a side part. Okay, wearing it as a side part, I think this fits me more. Abby, what do you guys think? I think the side part fits me more. Let me know what you think. Which style fits me more? Wearing it as a center part or wearing it as a side part? Let me know what you guys think. So guys, the good news here is that I got a discount code for you guys. Now I'll be leaving the link, the link to get a discount while you're buying this hair. So you can just click on the link down there on my description box below to get a discount on this crochet hair. You would really love this hair. Like try it and thank me later. I trust you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to support your girl, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.